Hello and welcome to 7 Energies Holistic Channel. Today, we're going to talk about a simple exercise that can help you sleep better tonight. Lack of sleep is a common issue that affects many people, but with a few simple steps, you can improve the quality of your sleep and feel refreshed in the morning. So, let's get started. The exercise we're going to talk about today is called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's a simple and easy to follow exercise that can help calm your mind and relax your body, making it easier for you to fall asleep. To start, you need to find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge of your upper gums, right behind your front teeth. Now, inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds, counting in your head. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then, exhale completely through your mouth for 8 seconds, making a whooshing sound. Repeat this cycle 3 more times, for a total of 4 breaths. The 4-7-8 breathing technique works by slowing down your breathing and calming your mind, which helps you relax and fall asleep faster. This exercise can also help improve the quality of your sleep, as it helps you stay in a state of deep relaxation throughout the night. Remember, it's important to keep your breathing slow and steady throughout the exercise. If you have trouble counting or lose track, don't worry, just focus on the rhythm of your breathing. And that's it. Give it a try and see if you notice any improvements in your sleep. This simple exercise can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep, and you'll feel more refreshed and energized in the morning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, sleep well.